Okay, for my screen, I'm Olivia Spackman, and for my screencast today, I'm gonna show you a useful website that can help solve some problems that teachers are struggling with. So, to introduce you, this is my first grade teacher. Her name is Miss Angie, and she's the reason I want to become a teacher and I want to teach first grade. She's super awesome. So I asked if I could interview her, and she willingly volunteered. She works at McMillan Elementary School, and she still teaches first grade. And so the question I asked her is just what challenge she faces at school, like that she struggles with the most in her classroom. And I got to video her response because she's super awesome. So I'll just play that for you guys and you can see what she says.
Okay, so the challenge is getting all the kids on their individual levels help. So there's only one of me and 24 of them. So if you have kids that are struggling on something and other kids that are not, it's hard to give the kids that are not struggling a challenge, but help the kids that are struggling.
All right, so basically her thing was that it's hard to make sure that all the kids are getting the help they need. I don't know if you can see this, but we'll just do it like this. So I found this awesome website that has 31 best educational websites you didn't know about, which was super awesome. But there's one specific that I want to talk about. So as you scroll through this website, it just lists awesome resources that some of them I never heard, and I got to go through and just explore what they were. But the one I wanted to talk about the most is probably one you've heard of before, but it is called Khan Academy. So this website is pretty basic, and one thing I think that is awesome is you can use it kindergarten through 12th grade, which is so freaking awesome. And if it'll load. But I've used Khan Academy in college. I've used it in high school. It wasn't as popular as when I was in elementary school, but it is one of the best resources to help teaching kids. And one thing that's awesome about it is it has something for everybody. It kind of is, they have videos that will show you, like, tutor your students according to their skill level. So it's very like skill level based, and it's super awesome. I used it in high school a lot with math, but it covers any subject and it's amazing. And it won't load right now, so you can't really explore it. Oh, here we go. Let's see, some technical difficulties. Let's see if it'll load up here. Ah, perfect. So first thing you pull up is for every student, every classroom, real results. So super awesome. It's personalized learning and it's tools to help empower teachers. So Miss Angie said she struggles. There's only one of her, and it's hard for her to focus on the other students, like based on their different skill level. Khan Academy has videos for literally every student, no matter their skill level. Like, look how crazy this is. So they have second grade, third grade, any grade, and then like they have get ready courses. And then when it comes to like high school, they have certain courses like math, algebra, pre-calc. And then they have chemistry, biology. They even have economics. They have reading, life skills. It's super awesome. So if we just click on let's go to reading and language and go to second grade. So tons of things to look at. Even they're actively working on this course, so that's awesome. Let's go. It's just a really good resource for teachers, and I think it's one of the best websites for students because it's really easy to access at home. It's free, and it totally makes a difference. But yeah, that's my screencast.